So last fall, last race of the year, it was really wet and really cold, and at the third to the last run, I got a warning from the club saying I'm too loud. I think the limit is about 99 or 98 decibel, and I suspect, since I've been running that car for a while, that it was in part due to the temperature and the wetness of the air. So anyway, second to the last run, I just short shifted it into third, where I think they were capturing me, and got no complaint. Last run, I let it push through second gear all the way through, and then I got another warning, which was last race of the year, so it didn't really matter. But on my mind is to get something looked at for this coming year in case it's needed. So that's what this video is about. I put in some baffles. I did some measurement before putting the baffles in and some measurements after putting the baffles in to see if we can knock some sound out of it, and it does. And I kind of knew that, but I've had them in before. I really like them opened up because, hey, it's kind of cool, isn't it? Making a bunch of noise. Anyway, maybe we have a backup plan for getting some sound out if we need it. Okay, reset. Here's what we think we learned is after putting the baffles in, we're about 92 decibel. Before the baffles we were about 98. Cold temperature probably 40 degrees, 40s, low mid 40s maybe, but not wet. So, and it does sound quieter. Quite a bit quieter with those baffles in it.